Keto-friendly sushi. Enjoy your favorite dish without the carbs. What if you could indulge in sushi without worrying about the carbs? That's not a fantasy, it's the delicious reality of keto-friendly sushi. For sushi lovers on a keto diet, traditional rolls wrapped in rice can feel like forbidden treasure. But what if we told you that you don't have to give up your favorite dish to stay in ketosis? With the right tweaks, sushi can be both satisfying and low in carbs. It's all about rethinking the base and focusing on fresh, flavorful ingredients. The star culprit in traditional sushi is the rice, which can pack over 30 grams of carbs per roll. That's a major setback if you're trying to keep your carb intake under 50 grams per day. But rice isn't essential for great sushi. What really defines the experience is the balance of textures, umami-rich proteins, and the visual appeal. Keto sushi flips the script by replacing high-carb fillers with smart alternatives that still taste incredible. So, what makes sushi keto-friendly? The key is to use low-carb substitutes that mimic the texture and mouthfeel of rice. Cauliflower rice is the go-to solution. Light, fluffy, and surprisingly neutral in taste, it pairs perfectly with seaweed, avocado, and fish. You can also use cream cheese or thin slices of cucumber as a base to hold ingredients together while keeping the roll fresh and crisp. Focus on fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, great sources of omega-3s and protein with zero carbs. Add healthy fats like avocado or a drizzle of sesame oil. Spicy mayo made with avocado oil-based mayonnaise and sriracha adds richness without guilt. Want crunch? Top your rolls with crushed pork rinds or toasted sesame seeds instead of tempura flakes. You don't even have to roll it. Keto sushi bowls are another creative option. Just layer your favorite toppings over shredded cabbage or spiralized zucchini and enjoy all the sushi flavors with none of the carb baggage. Making keto sushi at home is not just healthier, it's fun. Get your friends involved, experiment with textures, and discover flavor combos that are even better than the original. It's a hands-on way to control your ingredients and keep your diet on track without sacrificing taste. So, are you ready to roll into the world of keto-friendly sushi and recreate your favorite dish, guilt-free?